Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Okay.
Come on.
I hear you.
Come on.
That is showing court. Oh, I like your sign, by the way, too. No niggers allowed.
That's right.
I like that.
You don't belong back there.
I don't belong back there.
No, you don't.
So
You're
what?
renting that.
Why would you rent to me if you're a racist? Why would you put a sign up there saying no niggers? What are you?
Don't
What's
go
wrong
back
with
to the
you?
bar.
What?
That's what I mean. You do not go back to that bar. And
So you're going to say no niggers allowed? So you're going to say no niggers allowed, cowboys and cowgirls?
That's right. That's cowboys and cowgirls only. You're not allowed back there. You and that, not back there.
Me and that, as in like what?
That hut.
That what?
You stupid nigger. You don't understand. That hut.
That hut?
Yeah.
I don't know what a hut is, honestly, other than an Indian
I
hut.
said butt nigger.
Butt nigger?
Come on.
You realize you're being recorded right now, right?
I don't care.
And you're sitting here calling me a nigger and everything else.
What are you? What are you?
I'm an African American male.
Viewers and subscribers, what I'm about to say right now, I know that I don't expect everyone to agree with what I'm about to say, right? But if you should ever find yourself in a situation like this, especially if you're an African descendant, right? Don't get into any argument. Don't try to fuss at anything. Just turn around, walk away. The best thing, if you can report it, fine. You know what I mean? But just walk away. And if you're renting a place from a landlord like this, just see if you can just take your time and get out of that situation. You understand me? Right? And for those who really don't understand, a while ago, see, this lady is said to be a landlord that rents the place to an African American, but at the same time, there's parts of her property that marks or she put a sign that says no, N-word allowed. Basically, any African descendant, she's saying, is not allowed on a certain part of the property. I thought that days like this was really out, like finished with. Like back in the 60s or so forth, when there was signs that African American or African descendant could not enter certain places. I thought that was over. But, just walk away. You see me? Anyway, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?